In this video, I am going to go over the Blue2 Switch by AbleNet. This is largely used to connect to iPads and iPhones. It is compatible with other similar devices like Android devices, and I think even some Macs. I would encourage you to go to the website to see exactly what it's compatible with. But like in the quick guide, I mentioned specifically iPad, iPhones. I'm going to quickly go over how I set this up when I was playing with it yesterday. I went into setting, I set it up on my smartphone, my iPhone. I went into settings, Bluetooth, and just made sure my Bluetooth was on, which you can tell on the iPhone, because it's green, it's not grayed out. And it kind of constantly searches for Bluetooth devices. This popped up, Bluetooth Gen 4. I just hit connect when it popped up. So this is now connected through Bluetooth to my iPhone. I then went back in settings and did the accessibility, hit the accessibility key, and then switch control. When I first started, you can see here it has switches. When I first started, it had 0. I was able to change that to 3. And you can see right here, like for example, add new switch. So I added the orange switch, I added the white switch, which again, it was paired through Bluetooth with this, so I was able to locate that, and I just named them orange and white. And then I was able to select what I wanted the orange one to do and what I want the white one to do. So the orange will move things to the next item when I hit it. White will white will select the item. And then once I had configured that, I just activated the switch control. So I'm going to pull up just my social networking tab. So the orange again moves things. So you can see I'm moving to the top row, then second to the bottom. Let's say I want to do my Facebook Messenger. So I'm going to select that row. So I'm now in that row, and I'm going to select. Sorry, trying to. So I was using the orange to select what I wanted, or to move. Excuse me. So you can see it's moving, and then I hit the white to select what I want. I will show that again. So I'm using the orange to move. And let's say this time I want TikTok. I've hit the orange so I get to TikTok. I think I want TikTok. And then I'm hitting the white to activate it. And it's bringing up TikTok. So pretty cool. It does, as you can see, I've played around with it a little bit, but it does take some getting used to figure out how to move and navigate through things. But you can. I mean, I could access everything on this phone, type of text, anything I'd like with this. It does have 6 modes. The first 4 are kind of pre-programmed. You can see what those are on the back of the device. Modes 5 and 6, you can actually program yourself. So there's a mode button and a learn button that you use to do that, and you plug it in as well, I believe, to a desktop computer. And then there's a mode button that you can use to go back and forth between the modes. There are also 2 switch outlets, home outlets here that you can use to put switches in. So I hope this helps. A very brief introduction. There's lots of exciting things that you can do with this. Thanks.